Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Godi Amaga. Welcome to our Scratch game design. Today, we are going to create something very simple. We are creating arithmetic game. Arithmetic game. Okay, so that's what we are creating today. Arithmetic game. How to create arithmetic game. Okay, let me make it clear. Okay, I'm sure you can see it right now. Arithmetic game. So how can we go about this? So let's start. First of all, we'll quickly get a scratch. A character. Let's look for a character that we can use here. Okay, let's take this and click OK. Okay, so this will be our teacher for today. Okay, let me position it very well. Okay, now the first thing we need to here is to code it. When flag click, so drag out flag. When flag click, let him say something. Okay, so just drag out say. In say, change what is there. Say good day everyone. Welcome to our arithmetic game. Okay, that should be enough. So if I click on this now, if I click on flag, it says good day. Oh, sorry, we have omitted good day there. So let's go and correct it. Good day, everyone. Okay, that's good. Let me go and play it now. If I click on the flag, it says good day, everyone. Welcome to our arithmetic game. Okay, so that's good enough. So the next thing we need to do now is to start by asking a simple question. Okay, so let me give just a few break between the introduction and asking of questions. So I will ask the system to wait. Let it wait for like 20 seconds. Let me change it to 20. Okay, so it will wait for like 20 seconds and then it will ask the first question. So let's drag out the say again and change and say what is 8 plus 8 plus 5. Okay. Okay, what is 8 plus 5? So let me put it here. I'm sure everybody knows that 8 plus 5 should be 13. 13. 8 plus 5 is 7. It is 13. So let's go and get our answer. So let me go back. We'll click on the plus sign to add another character. So here we are creating our own number. So click on the brush circle on the right top left on the right top side. Just click on it and then select the biggest one here and select the first one on your left side. Then we can draw our number now. So I'm drawing 13. Okay, so that's 13. Once you are done with that, you click OK. So it brings the number here. So let me move it up here. Okay, so let me reduce it. It's too big, so I'll drag out shrink. So when I click on the shrink, it's reduced. I think it's okay like that. Okay, so now I need to code this. If this is the correct answer, when I click on that, it should tell me it's correct. So I will go back to the yellow button and drag out start on tab character. So I'll drag it out like this. Okay, so I'll say something. I'll go and click on say again. So let me drag out say. So that means if we click on that 13, I will say it's correct. So let me say you are correct. You are correct. Okay. So let me bring them together now. Okay. So let's go and see this now. Okay. If I click on the flag, it says good day everyone. Welcome to our arithmetic game. So it will wait for some seconds. Then it will ask what is 8 plus 5. When I click on 13, it says you are correct. That means 13 is the correct answer. So let's go back and give other option. Oh, sorry. Let's go back and give other option, because at least you give options for those who are going to answer the question. So let's add another character. Click on the plus sign and then come here. Okay, design your own also. Let me give another option as 10. Oh, this is too tiny. Let me remove it. Okay, so let me select the big one and say okay, 10. Okay, so I have 10 here. Let me move it up a bit. That's too much. Okay, so let me shrink it. Drag out shrink and click on it to shrink it. Okay, this should be enough. Okay, so I'll click on the yellow button also and click on tab, start on tab character. Drag it out, go to the brown button and select say again. So this time around I'm changing this to you are wrong. So if you select 10, that means it's wrong, because 10 is not the right or the correct answer. So I will say you are wrong. Okay. Okay, so let me put them together now. So let me play it and see again. Okay, let me click on the flag. Okay, 8 plus 5 is, if I click on 10, or you say you are wrong. Okay, so that's it. So let me put one more option. Okay, I'll click on the plus sign again, then design my own answer. So this time around, let me put 15. 1, 5. Okay, 15. Okay, so let me move it. Let me move it up like this. Okay, so let me shrink it. Drag out shrink. Clicking on it until it's okay with the size you are looking for. In case you click on it and it's smaller, if you notice now, this number is smaller compared to the remaining two. So click on grow, drag out grow and click on it, so it will make it a bit bigger. So that is that. Okay, so let me just take it back. Okay, now let me click on the yellow button. Okay, and drag out start on tab character. Then I'll say something. This time around also, this option is wrong. So I will say you are wrong. You are wrong. Okay. So that's it. Okay, so if I play this now, click on the flag. Good day, everyone. Welcome to our arithmetic game. What is 8 plus 5? If I select 15, you say you are wrong. Okay, that is that. Then I need to give us number 2. This is number 1. Okay, so let's design number 2. So let's go back to our character, the main character, which is our teacher. So this time around, we ask also the system to wait. So let's drag out wait. So this time around, wait for, let me just try to let me change the number first. Change it to 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. So it's waiting this time around for like 60 seconds before it moves to number 2. So number 2 question now. So let's write number 2 question. Select on the brown color again and click on say, drag out say. So this number 2, we are asking what is 5 plus 5? Or we can just write it this way: 5 plus 5 equals, so we use equal sign. So equals what? Okay. Equals what? Okay. So 5 plus 5 equals what? Okay, so let's give our option now. Then this time around, we'll create another character. Okay. So the first character, we can say 8. Let's create 8. Oh, this is too tiny. Let me remove it and click on the bigger line and draw my 8. Okay. Okay, so I will drag this down here. Let me drag it down here. Okay, so now let me reduce the size. Drag out this, shrink, then keep clicking on it. Okay, I think it's okay like that. Okay, so I'll click on the yellow button. I'll say, click on the tab and then go back to the brown button and say you are wrong, because 8 is not the correct answer. So you are wrong. You are wrong. Okay. Okay, that's it. So then I will select the second option. So the second option will be our right answer now. So let me select 10 here. Since I've already designed 10, I just select 10. So okay, so let me drag it to this place. Okay, so I will shrink it. Shrink. Okay, so that is okay like that. Okay, so I'll click on the yellow button, drag out this, and then the brown button, and say you are correct. You are correct. Okay, so now I'll click the third option. The third option, let's say, let's give 12 as the third option. So let's create 12. So 1 and then 2. Okay, click on that. Then let me drag it to this side. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay. So I will reduce it, just shrink it. I think there's too much gap between 1 and 2, so let me go back and reduce it. Okay, click on the arrow and let me drag this closer. Okay, and it's even longer, so let me reduce it. Okay, it's okay like that. Okay, so let me shrink it now. Okay, that's okay. So I'll click on the yellow button. Okay, I'll drag out start on tab character. Then I'll click on the brown button. Say this time around you are wrong. You are wrong. Okay, then we've done all we could, but we need to announce if the person did well or not. So let's go back to our teacher character. Click on the teacher character and say wait again for the person to answer the last question. So wait. This time around, wait for like 20 seconds. Let me change this one to 20. Okay. Wait for 20 seconds. Okay, then now say good job. Good job. Keep it up. Good job and keep it up. So we just write that and that's it. So let's go and play our game now. So if I click on the button, good day everyone, welcome to our arithmetic game. Okay, we'll ask the first question now. Okay, what is 8 plus 5? The correct answer is 13. You say you are correct. Then it will wait for like 60 seconds. Say, what is 5 plus 5? I will say it's 10. Say you are correct. Good job. Keep it up. So the good job, keep it up came too faster. So let's change the time to like 40 seconds. Okay. Okay, so let's try it again now. Okay. Welcome to our arithmetic game. What is 8 plus 5? 13. You are correct. Okay. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Say you are correct. Good job. Keep it up. Okay, so I think that will do. Thank you so much. That is our class for today. Until we see next time, my name remains Godi Amaka. I'm a software developer and a coding instructor. Thank you so much. Please, if you go on YouTube, please like our page. And also please subscribe so that when we are recording new classes, you will have access to them. Thank you.